Aisha held the basket with both hands. She walked slowly through the aisle, reading the labels. Some words she knew, some she didn't. She stopped in front of a shelf and picked up a small bottle. She turned it over and read the back carefully, the way she read everything here, slowly, twice. Then she saw the sign above the counter. Ask a staff member for help. She needed to ask. She knew that. The item she was looking for was not on the shelf. Maybe it was somewhere else, or maybe they didn't have it. A young man in a green vest was arranging boxes nearby. Aisha looked at him, then looked away. Her heart was beating a little faster than usual. She held the basket tighter. She took one breath, then another. Her feet stayed where they were for a moment, longer than she wanted. She walked over. "Excuse me," she said. The man looked up. "I'm looking for coconut milk. Do you have?" She stopped. She knew the sentence was not complete. "Do you have it? Maybe. Or is there coconut milk?" But the words had already come out. The man nodded without hesitation. "Yeah, it's in the next aisle. Aisle 4. Aisha nodded back. "Thank you," she said. She walked to aisle 4. She found the shelf easily, but there were many options, 6 or 7 different brands, different sizes, different labels. She picked up one can and then another. She wasn't sure which one was the right kind for cooking. A woman was standing nearby, also reading a label. Aisha almost didn't ask. Then the woman looked up and smiled, the way people sometimes do in supermarkets, briefly, without meaning much by it. Aisha took it as an opening. "Sorry," she said. "Which one is good for cooking?" The woman answered, but she spoke quickly. Aisha caught the word "full fat" and something about the blue one, but lost the rest. She looked at the cans. There were 2 blue ones. Aisha picked up both blue cans and held them toward the woman. "This one?" she asked. "Or this one?" It was a simple solution, simpler than another sentence, simpler than explaining what she had and hadn't understood. The woman pointed to the can in Aisha's left hand. "That one. It's better for curries." Aisha understood better and curries. That was enough. "Thank you," she said. She put the other can back on the shelf. She placed the right one in her basket. She moved on. At the checkout, Aisha placed her items on the belt one by one. The coconut milk was last. She looked at it for a moment. The blue can, the one the woman had pointed to. She didn't know if it was the exact brand her mother used back home, but she had found it herself in a language that was not hers, in a store she had never been in before. Outside, the afternoon was ordinary and bright. She carried her bag with both hands, the same way she had carried the basket, carefully, like something worth holding. Hi, friends. I am Nadir. I hope you enjoyed the story and feel motivated to speak English. See you next video. Bye.